Hey guys, welcome back. So my hair's been straight now for about 5 days. Unfortunately, I had to have high intense direct heat onto my hair, and obviously I like to be natural, so this is not ideal, but as a model doing photo shoots, well, actually you rarely ever get any say. All of that being said means damage control. Sometimes I like to do a mask, but honestly with the temperature that flat iron was probably at, I need to go full force damage control and do somewhat of an oil treatment. So I'm going to use Kreyol Essence. So this product is really wonderful for all types of hair. My curls happen to be 2B and my hair's fine and a little bit thin, so this product is really great to kind of bring it back to life after so much damage. I'm sure if you are a natural curly girl, you have heard of a castor oil before, but this one is different. This is Haitian Black Castor Oil by Kreyol Essence. The thing I like about this product is that it's not only good for your hair and scalp, but you can also put it on your skin too. Let's get started in this damage control.